Welcome back to OpenSCAD Simplified. Okay, last time we made 4 cups by writing quite a lot of copy and paste. But if we want to say 50 cups, this gets tedious very fast. What we can do is say we can make a for loop for, let's say, x is we start at 0, increment by 30 and by 30, and we go to 90. That means the variable x starts at 0, increments by 30 every time until it goes to 90. And then we can say translate x 0 0 and we got the cups. And we can all do the same. Let's say the y direction. We just copy that, move you in there, move you in there, and do this. And we got 16 cups.